A recent influx of immigrants coming through the southwest border is adding to struggles experienced here in Orlando, which is being asked to process new border migrants, creating a buildup.
Spectrum News13 Stephanie Bachara is live for us tonight from the Enforcement Removal Operations Office for ICE. And Stephanie, one thing that you're learning is there is a reason why Orlando's office is specifically struggling.
A legal expert we spoke to says this office right here is just not equipped to try and handle the demand that we are seeing. Now, all the folks that we interviewed this afternoon say they did manage to make it inside of that office, not necessarily to get their issues addressed, but more so to get yet another appointment to come back in person. Eliana Martinez crossed the U.S. border through Mexico 20 days ago. She was told to check in at her local ICE office. Martinez says it was not an easy trek from Venezuela.
Terrible, fue muy dura.
And her journey doesn't stop here. After 2 nights of eating and sleeping outside of the ICE office in Orlando, she finally made it inside.
This person's been waiting.
Immigration Attorney Gail Seeram says this situation hits close to home. She showed me the ship document her great-grandmother was given decades ago when she went from one continent to another.
These individuals, they came through the border and they were given this piece of paper, right, to check in. She came across from India to Guyana and she was given this piece of paper.
Seeram created a liaison relationship between the Orlando ICE office and the American Immigration Lawyers Association. Seeram says she's not surprised a substantial amount of migrants are coming to Central Florida.
Orlando is very attractive for immigrants because it's the tourist capital of the world. It has a lot of restaurants, it has a lot of hotels, and a lot of opportunity for work. So I think that's why we're seeing a lot of migrants come here and try to do their reporting here in Orlando.
Martinez and others were seen inside the ICE office this time, but mainly to be given another appointment to come back for in person. Martinez says she just wants to get her paperwork squared away to be able to work.
A luchar, a trabajar, sí, como todos los que venimos.
Immigration lawyer Seeram explained that, for example, that office in South Florida deals with about 1,000 people a day, while this office is limited to about 100 people per day. Now, ICE is pushing a website, an appointment scheduler. They have in place an email as well that you can reach out to make an appointment. People I've spoken to say they have had some issues. However, we will have all that information for you on our website, Spectrum News 13. Live here in Orlando, I'm Stephanie Bachara, Spectrum News 13.
Stephanie, thank you a big